Hey guys, welcome back to Raj Tech India. This video is about how to apply for Burger King India Limited IPO in Upstox using PhonePe. To do that, go to invest.upstox.com/IPO website. I will provide the link of this site in below video description. By clicking on that link, you can come to this page. Here you can see all the latest IPOs which are open for the bidding. Right now the Burger King India Limited IPO is open for the bidding, so click on details option here. And if you want to apply for the IPOs in your Upstox mobile app, then open your mobile app and log in with your user ID and password. Once you log in, on top left hand side you can see three lines. By clicking on the three lines, you can see an option called apply for IPO. By clicking on apply for IPO, then the same page will again open in your mobile also. Right now I am clicking on details option here. Once we click on details, then this page will open. Here you need to log in with your Upstox client ID. Here the UCC ID means your Upstox client ID, which you use to log in your Upstox dashboard. And enter your PAN number and click on sign into Upstox, and after that enter your year of the date of birth. After entering your date of birth here, you can log in into your Upstox IPO dashboard. Once you log in your Upstox IPO dashboard, then the same page will again open. Here you need to click on details option. Once we click on details option, then you can see an option called place bid. Before placing the bid, you can see the details. Once check all those details like minimum quantity and price range and IPO size, and after checking all those details, click on place bid option here. Once we click on place bid option, here you need to select the investor tag. Most of us are individual investors, so click on individual, and here you need to enter your UPI ID. Here we are using PhonePe, so we need to enter our PhonePe UPI ID. You can find your PhonePe UPI ID by logging in your PhonePe mobile app and go to profile section, and here you can see an option called My Beam UPI ID. By clicking on My Beam UPI ID, you can see your UPI ID related to PhonePe. If you are using Google Pay, then most of the UPI IDs in Google Pay will come with OK SBI. So Upstox is right now is not supporting those kind of UPI IDs. It is supporting these UPI IDs right now. Here the PhonePe UPI ID is at the rate of YBL. So I am using my PhonePe UPI ID to apply for Burger King IPO in Upstox. Here enter your UPI ID. After entering your PhonePe UPI ID, click on continue option here. Once we click on continue, then this page will open. Here you need to enter your bidding details. The lot size of this IPO is 250, so I am entering the quantity as 250. And if you want to apply for the more quantity, then you need to double your lot size. For example, if you want to apply for 2 lots, then you need to enter 500 here. And select the price range here as 60 rupees. Here the maximum price is 60, so it is better to enter the maximum price. Or you can also use this option, use cutoff price of 60, then the maximum price will be selected automatically. And if you want to apply with different price ranges, then you can select the bid 2 and bid 3 options. Right now I am using only bid 1 option here. After entering the quantity and the price, accept this declaration and click on continue option here. Once we click on continue, then we need to confirm it. Before that, check your details again and click on confirm and apply. Once we click on confirm, then here we can see IPO application successfully sent. See, the bidding process is not yet completed. You have to accept the mandate in your PhonePe and you will receive an SMS from NPCA confirming your bid, and we have to wait for that SMS. Once we receive that SMS, then we can accept the mandate in our PhonePe mobile app. See, here I have received the SMS, and for me it took almost 30 minutes to receive this message. Now what we have to do is open your PhonePe mobile application and click on the bell icon. Here you can see one notification is available. Now click on this bell icon. When we click on the bell icon, here you can see the notification. Now click on click to accept. When we click on click to accept, then this page will open. Here we can see two options. If you want to decline, you can decline this mandate request, and if you want to accept, click on accept. Now we are clicking on accept. Once we click on accept, then this page will open. Here you can see the amount is going to be blocked in our bank account and the validity date for this amount. Once you see all these details are correct, now click on accept here. Once we click on accept, then you need to authorize this transaction with your PhonePe mobile PIN. Once you enter your correct PIN and click on submit, then you can see the autopay sent successfully. And the same message you can also see in your manage autopay section of your PhonePe mobile application. And in your internet banking, you can clearly see that the amount was blocked, and in SBI it is showing as lien amount. Once we get the allotment, then this amount will be debited from our bank account, and if we don't get the allotment, then this amount will be removed from the block request. Now what we have to do is we have to wait for the IPO allotment announcement date. I hope now you understand how to apply for Burger King IPO in Upstox using PhonePe. Still, if you have any doubts, then please ask those doubts in below comment section, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to Raj Tech India. Thank you.